Hello all, welcome to my channel Arya and Harika. Today we will see the book back exercise of lesson number 18 Virumbi Velai Seyalam. I'll explain in English and the difficult words in Telugu. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos useful. Payirchi. Payirchi means exercise. First section is Oliddu Palaguga. Oli means sound. Read loudly. Practice loudly. Oliddu Palaguga means practice loudly. First word Seyyalam. Let's do. Perukkalam. Let's clean. Let's mop or let's clean. Kaluvalam. Let's wash. Let's wash the dishes. Madikkalam. Let's roll. Let's roll the bed. Roll or fold. Next, Vangalam means let's buy. Vangalam means buying. Let's buy the groceries. Valarkalam, let's grow. Let's grow the plants. Valarkalam means growing. Vaikalam means keep. Let us keep. Next section is Padidum reading, Eluduyum writing, Palaguga practice. Practice reading and writing these words. First one Veedu house, Velai work, Chedigal plants, Tarai floor, Udai dress, Kadai shop, Tannir drinking water, Padikkai bed, Etratalvu inequality, imbalance, Taratamyam Bedam in Telugu. Next section is Porudduga. Porudduga means matching. Padikkai bed. We have to match the appropriate option. Bed what we can do? Surutti Vaikalam. We can roll it. We can roll the bed. Surutti Vaikalam rolling. Roll and keep. Chutti Pettadam. Ududum Udaigal means dresses that we wear. What we can do with them? Madikkalam. We can fold the dresses. Next one Kadail in the shop. What we can do in the shop? Porulgal Vangalam. Porulgal groceries. Vangalam we can buy. We can buy groceries from the shop. Next one Unnum Tattai plate. What we can do? Kalvalam wash. We can wash the plate. Chedigal nattu valarkalam. Chedigal plants we can grow. Valarkalam means grow. Next section is Ivargalai. These people. Theriyuma. Do you know? Ivargalai Theriyuma. Do you know these people? These are some famous people given below. We have to find who are those. Okay, now let us see. Vinveliyai space. Adaindavargal achievers. Space achievers. Vinveliyai Adaindavargal means those who reached the space. These two people are the famous space scientists. These two reached the space successfully. The first person is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma and the lady Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla. Rakesh Sharma and Kalpana Chawla are the space achievers. The next category is Palu weight, Tookum lifting, Veerargal players. Palu Tookum Veerargal means weight lifters. Malleshwari, Karanam Malleshwari. Malleshwari and the other person is Jeremy. Jeremy. Malleshwari and Jeremy are the famous weightlifters. Next category Sikaram mountain, Tottavargal who touched. Sikaram Tottavargal people who touched the mountains. These are the couple Hillary and Norgay. Hillary Norgay and the other person is Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal. These people reached the mountain heights. The next category is Samayal, cooking, Kalainarkal, artist, culinary artist, cooking artist, Samayal, Kalainarkal. These two people are the famous chefs. The first person is Mastanamma. Mastanamma has a YouTube channel and she is famous chef in YouTube channel. The other person is Damodaran. Damodaran is one of the best famous chefs. The next section is Kalanduraiyaduga. Kalanduraiyaduga means discuss. What we have to discuss? Let's see the question below. Anin. Anin means male. Male means boys. Velaigal, jobs. Anin velaigal, male jobs. Pennin, female. Velaigal, jobs. Pennin velaigal, female jobs. Yandru, like that. Tani, separate. Ullanava, are they? Are the female and male jobs separate? Are we having separate jobs for male and female? No. All jobs can be done by both male and female. The next section is Padadirkuriya, for the image. Seyalai, action. Eluduga, write. Padadirkuriya Seyalai Eluduga means write the action for the image. See, here are some images. Images means pictures. We have to write the action of that picture. Let's see the first one. What is this boy doing? Drawing. They have mistakenly given this. So, strike off this. This is wrong. The correct one is Varaigiran. Varaigiran means drawing. As he is a boy, we have to write Varaigiran. If it is a girl, Varaigiral. Next action is he is swimming. The boy is swimming. Neendugiran. Neendugiran means swimming. The next action is Padugiral. So the girl is singing. So it is Padugiral. Padugiral. If it is a boy, it would be Padugiran. So the next action is Padikkiran. The boy is reading. So it is Padikkiran. Now the boy is playing Vilayadugiran. Vilayadugiran. The next action is the boy is catching fishes. Meen means fish. Pidikkiran, catching. Fish catching. Meen pidikkiran. The girl is riding bicycle. Bicycle means midivandi. Ottugiral, riding. Midivandi ottugiral. Girl is riding bicycle. Hope you understood all the sections. Let's meet again in another video. Thanks for watching and happy learning, kids.